Right now, from the Room to Room Weather Center, here's meteorologist Maggye McCauley.
Hey, and happy Thursday out there too, meteorologist Maggye McCauley. We got graduations going on today over at Mississippi State, and a great day for it. By 9 a.m., temperature is going to be in the 60s, 70s by noon, into the 80s over there in the Golden Triangle region into the afternoon. Plentiful sunshine, going to be a nice day and a nice morning to have some graduations across the board, especially because you got to wear that cap and gown, right? And it's going to be a little bit cooler. Going into the afternoon, a lot of it's going to be in the 70s as well. 77 in Tupelo, 77 New Albany, 77 in Oxford, 80 in Grenada, 81 in Eupora, 80s again down in the Golden Triangle region into your afternoon, 82 in Kosciuszko. So most of us sitting, though, at least a few degrees below where we should be for this time of year. And that's the story along the eastern half of the United States today. Looking to be below average out west, though. The western half of the United States continuing to look warm out there today and well above average. Eventually, that heat will spread off into the east, and we're going to be seeing warm conditions coming back as early as tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, all of us back in the low to middle 80s for the most part. 85 in Bruce, 83 New Albany, 83 in Amory for your Friday afternoon, 84 down in Starkville, even maybe some upper 80s to near 90 off in the Delta. So definitely some warm days ahead Friday as we head into the weekend and as we head into your next week. So enjoy today while we have those 70s around. 80s again for Friday. Overnight lows back in the 50s for your Friday morning. Into the weekend, temperatures go all of us into the middle to upper 80s, and those stick around into your new work week. And then rain chances do come back into play as we head mid to late work week. So I encourage you to keep checking up with our forecast for everything you need to know about your weekend and for those rain chances ahead. We're going to be live a few more times this morning at 7 and 7:30. And of course, this evening, full updated look at your 7-day forecast at 5, 6, 9, and 10. Live from the Room to Room Weather Center.
Give the gift of a delicious burger from Bulldog Burger, a soup and sandwich from Sweet Pepper's Deli, appetizers and cocktails from The Grill, or even a wood-fired steak from Harvey's. Choice is the perfect gift. An all-in-one gift card from Eat With Us.
How did you sleep last night? Find better sleep at Room to Room's Memorial Day sale. King mattresses starting at $499, up to $1,000 off Beauty Rest and $1,200 off Heirloom. Plus, find the newest sensations in Nectar mattresses. Sleep better, live better, and save more. Only at Room to Room Tupelo.